Welcome to online lectures at IBN-E-CINA Academy. बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। शुरू अल्लाह के नाम से जो बड़ा मेहरबान निहायत रहम वाला है। In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. Allahumma salli ala Muhammadin wa ala ali Muhammad. ऐ अल्लाह रहमत नादिल फरमा मोहम्मद सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम पर और मोहम्मद सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम की आल पर. May Allah have mercy on Muhammad, peace be upon him and his family.
Hey there, little friends. Welcome to our fun-filled adventure. We're so excited to have you join us today. Get ready to meet some amazing characters who love to hop, swim, and play. Let's jump right in and have a blast together.
F is for funny, funny.
Funny, the one who loves to cheer with silly jokes and laughter near. We'll giggle and dance, have a laugh or two. Let's make the world smile, just me and you.
Hey kids, I'm funny. I'm here to make you laugh and have a great time. I love telling jokes, doing silly dances, and making everyone smile. Let's giggle and have the best day ever.
I'm Funny the Frog, I hop around with my big green feet, I bounce up and down. I splash in the pond where the water's cool. Let's jump together, it's the froggy rule.
Hi kids, I'm Froggy the Frog. I love hopping around and making big splashes in the pond. I can catch flies with my long, sticky tongue. It's my favorite game. Let's jump into some fun together.
I'm Flake the fish, swimming fast and free, blowing little bubbles, come swim with me. Through the coral reefs, I'll show you the way. We'll splash in the ocean and play all day.
Hello there. I'm Flick the fish, and I swim fast through the water like a little rocket. I love blowing bubbles and making friends with sea creatures. Come swim with me and explore the ocean.
Freddy the Fox, quick as can be, running through the forest, come follow me. With my fluffy tail and clever mind, we'll go on an adventure, the best you'll find.
Hi kids, I'm Freddy the Fox. I'm super sneaky and quick on my feet. My bushy tail helps me balance when I run, and I love solving puzzles. Let's go on an adventure together.
I'm Flo the Feather, light as air, I float and fly everywhere. Tickling toes and making you giggle, join me as I drift and wiggle.
Hi everyone. I'm Flo the Feather, and I float and fly through the air, light as a cloud. I love tickling people and making them laugh. Want to float along with me on a breezy day?
I'm Fiona the flower, bright and bold. In the sunshine I love to unfold. My petals dance in the soft spring breeze. Come twirl with me beneath the trees.
Hello, I'm Fiona the flower. I bloom in the sunshine and love to dance in the wind. My petals are so colorful, and I love making gardens bright and cheerful. Come join me in a garden full of fun.
Frank the fire truck, I'm ready to go. With my sirens loud, I'm never slow. Helping people is what I do. Come along and I'll rescue you.
Hi kids. I'm Frank the fire truck. I'm big, red, and always ready to help. When I hear an emergency, I zoom fast with my lights flashing and siren blaring. Let's put out fires and save the day together.
I'm Finn the fan, I spin all day. keeping you cool while you run and play. Round and round I go so fast, feel the breeze, it's a summer blast.
Hey kids, I'm Finn the fan. I spin around super fast and keep everyone cool. When it's hot, I make sure the breeze is just right. Let's spin and cool off while having lots of fun.
Fizzy the fruit, tasty and sweet. I'm a yummy snack, healthy to eat. In all sorts of colors, I give you power. Grab a fruity treat for a happy hour.
Hi friends. I'm Fizzy the fruit, juicy and sweet. I give you energy to play all day long. You can find me in all sorts of colors and flavors. Let's have a fruity snack and get healthy together.
Thank you for joining us today, amazing kids. We hope you had as much fun with Funny the Frog, Flick the Fish, and all our other friends as we did. Don't forget to come back for more exciting adventures. Keep smiling, keep playing, and we'll see you next time. Bye bye.